I hope you're doing well. I'm going to just film a few of the constructions for exercise C that you will receive with this video, and I just want to show you what you'll need to do the constructions here. So you'll need a compass with a sharpened pencil in it. You'll need a ruler. I'm going to use this as my ruler, and then another pencil to draw the actual construction. And in some of the questions, we would need a protractor. So we're going to start off with question 1a, construct triangle PQR with PQ 50 millimeters. So I have done this already and had to restart this video because I started too high up. So let me just count here, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 lines down. That's how far down I'm going here. And I'm drawing my PQ 50 millimeters, which is 5 centimeters line, and I'm labeling it immediately PQ, so I know which side is P and which side is Q. So inevitably P will start from the angle P will be on this side and the angle Q will be on that side, and we also label it as 50 millimeters, the info that was given to me. Okay, so now we're going to construct angle P that was given as 60 degrees. So in the previous exercise, you practiced how to draw a 60-degree angle again with your compass. And remember, you take any measurement on your compass, you make an arc, as long as it's not longer than the line. And then at the point where it intersects your line segment, you place your point of your compass and you make another of the same measurement, another arc through that arc. That's my 60-degree angle, and now the line PR must go through that point, and that would form an angle of 60 degrees at P. And there we have it. Okay, so I don't know what the length is of PR, so I'm just like literally drawing a light line, extended light line. Now at angle Q, we have to construct a 90-degree angle. So for a 90-degree angle, so I've got my line here. I'm basically going to use my perpendicular bisector method to draw this 90-degree angle over here. There are so many ways to construct a 90-degree angle, actually, if you go and search the internet. So what I'm doing is I'm making 2 points. I'm making this a bit bigger, and on top here I'm making an arc from that side at the top and at the bottom, sorry. So I know it's definitely exactly 90 degrees, and at the bottom and the top from the other side where I made my 2 points. And that would mean my ruler's got to go through there and Q. And there we go. It's just, mine is just not long enough. So I'll have to just do that and neatly place it there. And now you'll see at the point where it intersects, there we go, our point or our line PR, we stop at that point and then we darken this line, and we have our construction PQR, which you cannot see right now. There we go. So inevitably, if you missed something here, please just message me and I'll try and do it again. So this is the 60-degree angle. We fill in all the details that was given to us, and this was the 90-degree angle. And that's it. And as you can see, I'm not going to erase my construction lines. Okay, so that was 1A. B, and firstly, number A also said classify the type of triangle. And of course, because it's got a right angle, it's called a right angled triangle. Okay, so this is just how I would have done it in class. I would have done a few with you and then given you the rest of the activity to try on your own. So for question B, they said construct the altitude PG. So they tell you that it's a line from P to QR. So P to QR that is perpendicular to QR. Well, in actual fact, it's already constructed. PQ is then PG because it's already a height at 90 degrees. There's no other way. We could rather have constructed an altitude onto PR from the 90-degree angle. And so we have PQ is PG. Okay. Question C. They said using a protractor, measure all the interior angles. Comment on your findings. So all the interior angles would mean take your protractor and measure. Is that exactly 60 degrees? Let me just put it perfectly there. And that's 60 degrees. And then R, is that exactly 60 degrees? Oops. Okay. And that is, not 60 degrees, 30 degrees. That, if we measure it, is 30 degrees. So C, we can comment that angle R is 30 degrees. And therefore, angle P plus angle Q plus angle R all add up to 180 degrees. That would be my comment. The interior angles of a triangle is 180. Okay, so this is question 1A. I'll continue in a different video with the next question that I'm going to do.